Hi dear customers, this is Casey from QQ Company. Today we'd like to introduce our stainless steel zipper for you. So now first let's see the testing result. This is our stainless steel zipper with the YG slider, and you can see we set up 2000 ties for testing. Now 2000 ties alive already, but the zipper is still not broken. So the strength is very strong, and you can see the zipper on my hand. This one is the low one, and this one is after 8 pieces polishing wheel from two sides, and this teeth two sides, and also with the fiber surface polishing already, so it's very shining. This is the highest quality, and this one with 8 pieces polishing wheel and the 12 pieces blush polishing wheel polishing already. The result is not smooth the same as this one, but it's also very good lining. So let me show you the result. See, this is SS slider, so you can see. Let me show you. Okay, I put outside, and let's check this one. This is the auto lock slider. Okay, you see it's very smooth. And now let's see, this is a stainless steel. Okay, you can see it is also very smooth. See, it's very smooth. And this is the finished one, which we put the aluminum bottom store and the aluminum top store. Of course, you also can request us to make the zinc bottom store and zinc top store, and also can match the brass bottom store and the brass top store. But normally people choose the stainless steel zipper because wants to get the cheaper price than brass, but with the more strong or same strong strength compared with the brass. So that is why they choose the stainless steel instead of the brass zipper or the aluminum zipper. So if you are interested to get more details about the stainless steel zipper, you are welcome to contact us.